Abakwatirwe barimu Godfrey Katumba Uruparish Chief ab'omurka gwa Igwanjura ogurikushangwa omugombora ya Kaboya, Lawrence Baguma Uruparish Chief ab'omurka gwa Bogo nagwo ogurikushangwa omugombora niemwe otairiho na Charles kusemererwa Community Facilitator hansi y'enteekateeka ya Development Response to Displacement Impact Project mugombora niemwe. Aba bakwatirwa ha biragiro by'omuhwezi wa Karishorisho w'ihanga Dr. Patricia Okiria Atan banyuma y'abaturage kubomesereza ngo babeire nibabashaba sente okubahereza za PDM. Abaturage bashoborere ngwaba babaire babashaba sente ziri hagati y'emitwaro 10 hamwe n'emitwaro 25 buri muntu baza kumuhereza za PDM.
Batandika kumutwara mu mirimo bagira hagati ya guhinduraho yatwihaho kutubize tuzona fayiro ya gitwara kurgo byatandika ya guhindura account ya Central Bank yakora withdraw na fotinga signature zaitu iyo sente milioni 19 n'emitwaro 4 kuhandikira kawo kutegereza ikibayeho
grupu yaitu akatusaba shoke tubene registering grupu yaitu banje already registered twagenda hagomba twasa registration twafuna receipt twagenda district certificate twagenda mu chief some of the members tufune forms okufuna sente. Unfortunately parish chief bakuma Wabogo parish akatugamba group yetu no mu computer table amazima g'inyamasiko gampwamu kwikasaze.
Banyuma yo kurira ibigambo by'abaturage Atani aragire polisi biririya hamwanya ogwo ukwata ababonshatu ikabatwara mu kadukuri kayo.
For us, we are interested in ensuring that there is value for money and service delivery. On extortion is an offense within the law, but it's a matter that we need to interrogate further and investigate in detail and have these people prosecuted, because it is going to be like a lesson for others. PDM money is to better the lives of the people and improve on their well-being. But if the people are supposed to be overseeing extorting, then it is really very, very unfortunate.
Kurigira Atani abantu nkaba nibo baremeye enteekateeka ya Parish Development Model kuhikirira nk'uko omwebembezi w'ihanga yabeire agitebeekanise. Ogu ayorekire okutangara abo abantu nkaba abo gavumenti erikuhereza omushahara kukora emirimo yabo kuka bakaza kucumbagiza emirimo yayo.
All government programs, it is the government officials who are responsible. So when we talk about ghost projects, it is basically the government technocrats who are the people who are responsible for these kinds of projects.
Ejuminje hingwire abebembezi mu nteekateeka niemwe ya Parish Development Model mu district ya Kagadi, Kiryandongo, Masindi hamwe na Hoima barigire kwatwa abw'enshonga niemwe. Mwezi wa Karishorisho w'ihanga yongere yarariko bukiko burega b'imirimo mu districts zitari zimwe na zimwe ukwegendesereza okutunda emirimo.
Ugandans to report these cases. During the community scorecard, issues came up from the community members that there was extortion and they're paying between 100 to 250. So out of the 1 million, then what does someone remain with to implement this project? So it really affects service delivery.
Iyo bikiri aho umukuru w'abakozi mu district Edward Musinze ajumirire ikikorwa cy'abantu aba bashatu hati nko kusima umwezi wa Karishorisho w'ihanga abo kubakwata
ababeire nibeha ahabatake sente abo bamwe bakwatwa kandi nza kuba disciplininga barecovering sente ezibehira abantu.
Enteekateeka ya sente z'emireka erikumanywa nka Parish Development Model ikatebwaho gavumenti okwera abantu ab'entaasya okubahereza za loan z'amagoba make n'ekitendererwa cyo kongera ahantaasya omu maka gaabo. Makoraga gaca kwa Gad asaba aba Sky TV ag'enshonga muri Kikube.